in the snow. Yep. With the cell phone, but it won't send because it's snowing. So, I don't know if you can see it coming down. It's going down pretty good. We got about, well, look at our barbecue. You can see we got about 8 inches. Look at our, see how tall it is? We got a lot of snow. So, oh boy, here's Mr. Puppy. Coda. They were fighting a minute ago. Yes, fighting over Sam's pillow. I had to take it away. He chews up pillows. He's bad. What are you doing, Sam? What are you up to, lady? She's a good girl. He gets jealous. Oh, can't tell. We're pulling Mariah on the sled. I'm trying to. It worked good. Pulling them down the hill. Pulling Mariah. See, Lenny's got the sled dog in him. I can't see. There he goes. Oh, they're pulling her. Where'd it go? I get a lot.